it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as is a connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Alkaline. Yeah, man, Vendetta Boss, Mr. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Mr. Cosmo. With Dangerous Youth. Yeah, man. As you can't hear my voice, I'm not 100% today. But you know what I put in the work, because the work have to put in. So big up the Vendetta people in the comment section. Right now, we are representing. Big up on yourself. Yes, man. The man I go smooth, Mr. Cosmo. Let's jump in the one and here with the GSL, man. Let's go. So, Dangerous Youth, official visualizer. I want to have some binds that go fight that one. Binds. Alright, don't waste them. Don't waste them, man. You're too eager for waste binds. Let's go. Dangerous.
Check him out, get put palm out. When I pull it and the fire shot.
Ease up, man. Roll up. Binds. Binds. Wait the man. Shut him out, get put on mute. That's the first thing. Shut him out. Zip. Mute. Ready, Alka? Yeah.
Check him out, get put palm out.
Deaf.
When I pull it and the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said them here news. Dangerous Youth.
Fussy run well like I said them here news. Dangerous Youth. Why Fussy? How run way? How chat him out? Binds man.
Fussy run well like I said them here news. Dangerous Youth. Kinda warm and master cool than Alaska man.
Walla, in a war man colder than Alaska. Wait no man. I can't send a message just so.
Pull it and the fire shot.
Yeah.
Fussy run well like I said them here news. Dangerous Youth.
That part of the catch, like the Dangerous Youth, me know say the Vendetta fans, I'm gonna love that one, cause you don't know, see. Alkaline this, man, Alkaline this. New school.
Now Arman master cool than Alaska man go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny.
Hold on, man.
Man,
me don't want to miss something.
Kinda Arman master cool than Alaska man go do any slaughter.
Yeah, man, in a war man colder than Alaska, man. And master, man. Any buckler, any slaughter, we ready for it. I want to some pussy.
While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor.
While them a meds and scan penny and quarter. What we are do?
While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor.
Yeah.
Yo, that dangerous piece of boy. Walk on the ends and crush it out one chip's eye.
Bumbo clot. Dangerous piece of boy. Walk on the ends and crush it out like a chips. Ahoy! Deaf? Ugly like a binds. I kind of do one nice and smooth with it. Him not kill up himself.
Dangerous piece of boy. Walk on the ends and crush it out one chip's eye. Move to the place, shoes up about and splinter fly. No never.
Hold on, man.
Ends and crush it out one chip's eye. Move to the place, shoes up about and splinter fly. No never give one up blind. Stay there, think a tie.
Stand there, think a bumbo clock joke. Stand there, think say a bumbo clock gigi laughing batty boy. Stand there, think say a joke. Stand there, think say a tie this. None tie this pussy. That me I tell you, yeah?
Fully stick and we go mash up them there. Get this more than all the district if them cross our way.
Bumbo clock. Fully stick and go mash up them there, man. Mash up them dolly house for them, man. Mash it up, man. Bumbo clock.
Yeah, watch jump up together. Can we go mash up them there? Get this more than all the district if them cross our way. Look here, watch jump up together, somebody I go pay. From them, disobey.
We don't care who jump up together, somebody have to go pay. 1 hour no or 2 hour no I crowd have to go pay, you know. 1 hour no have to go pay, man. You know why?
Look here, watch jump up together, somebody I go pay. From them, disobey.
Disobey. From me go around the order, somebody have to go do what? Pay. Not with money, you know, cause we full of that, you know. Yeah, no see your binds, I get binds.
Kinda warm and master cool than Alaska man go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor.
Lot. Remember, I said this is a reactions video. Now. Remember, I react to what the G has say. You see me? There's other channels out there where I go break it down, like fully break down everything when I say. This is my way of doing it over here. I react. I'm a reactioner. Yes.
Yo, that chat him out, get put palm out. When I pull it in the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said, them here yours. Dangerous youth. At we at. We are gangster, them a handicap.
Look on. At we at, pussy. We are gangster, them a... We are gangster, them a handicap.
Dangerous youth. At we at. We are gangster, them a handicap. And the girl them they and the crutch. Guns.
Binds pussy. More binds pussy. Even more binds pussy. What you do? What you do? What you there do? What you there a do what?
At we at. We are gangster, them a handicap.
Yeah.
And the girl them they and the crutch.
Move.
Guns and plenty rocks. But them wife she a give away the nash. Body end up missing when the lighter gash.
Wife I give her the nash. I'm gonna drink my tea. I'm gonna drink my tea and mind my business. Drink my... I don't want to say tea. Mint, yeah. Drink my tea and mind my business.
Guns and plenty rocks. But them wife she a give away the nash. Body end up missing when the lighter gash. Feel safe you with job.
Body end up missing when the lighter gash. Nobody feel say a lighter feel like you with no. At the sparks you come out of the nozzle pussy. All about there. In your blood clot.
Can't match up me, I tell you that. God them here, them a go want a family plot. Badness from this good.
Can't match up me, I tell you that. God them a go want a family plot. They bury everything in a one place. That's how the G tell us so. One place pussy.
Can't match up me, I tell you that. God them here, them a go want a family plot. Badness from this scratch. Does that welcome at place where them hang out on in a empty spot.
The place where they hang out on in a ghost town. Shop off start like a early pussy. Everybody come out for the road. Me I run curfew run so. I'm no police. I'm no soldier. We a pitch tent in your place. Pussy know that. That's what the G said, not me.
Real bad man, real dangerous young. Them can't contest when a giant shows. Go and get minds up for your take boost.
Yeah man, go and take both. But like go Alkaline, I sing that. Wait, let me left that for this last.
Pull it through a song cook that goes. God dead, yeah, that then chose. Our world boy have to pay Joes.
Who say pay Joes for living on my world? I'm turn. Joes have to pay. Yeah man, I have to pay for living on our world. Know that. That's what the G tell us, not me.
Chat him out, get put palm out. When I pull it in the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said, them here yours. Dangerous youth.
Yo.
Kinda warm and master, cool than Alaska, man go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor.
While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter. That's how him say scan, not scam. Me say scam earlier on, no. A scan him say scan.
While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor.
Yeah man, bright light pick them up man, or whoever else. Pick them up. Drink my tea and mind my business.
Dangerous.
Alkaline always leave a bit of the rhythm for me freestyle pan. Wanna say freestyle? Alright, freestyle. Yeah. Alright, joke, me not do no freestyle. So me catch you now. Look how me catch you now, Bumbuckler. Look how me catch you now, dog. Yeah, no, no easy for catch. What is it for catch, man? Yo, I pause a lot in this reaction. If you don't want to see the full reaction, you don't know if you find it already. So I'm gonna have to tell you now. No, the full video without me pausing. I don't know if you find it. Yo, the beat just nice and smooth. You can hear the piano in the background like the G got. Anything Alkaline does, he does it calculatively. Calculatively, that's not a word. He's very calculative. Him think about it before him do it. Yeah, that is what it means. Big word, that man. Yeah, bust my brain, man. Yo, whole heap of buying sling another one. Whole heap of buying sling. Who get it? I like how Alkaline do that one. Yeah. You know why? Alkaline do that one in a one third person view. Like him a sing about himself without singing about himself. Him a tell say him a dangerous youth. But him never say me a dangerous youth, you know. Him just say dangerous youth. Then him tell you what go on from the dangerous youth. I'm self him a tell you about. Like me say, if you don't want to see reviews, because reviews different from reaction, you know. A lot of people don't get that, you know. Reviews is different from reactions. You see me? So a lot of people, there's lots of channels over here on YouTube that's doing it. So check them out, see me, you see me, and get a different perspective on big word, blood clot perspective, big words and how. Perspective on what them think of the track also, you see me? But big up on yourself. Let me know, Vendetta fan in the comment section, let me know what you think about that one, yeah? Me I go jump in at the Bima. Come and ruin that. Fucking me attack later. But yeah.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.